Here are some of the tasks that I've trained Forrest to do. Forrest! Oops! Bring it here. Drop it. Good job. And he has a specific command for leash. Good boy. This is a good boy. And then there's Forrest, help. Good job. I've also taught him a few guide tasks. Forrest, toilet. Good boy. Forrest, find a seat. Oh, shakes. Find a seat. Ignore him. Find a seat. Good alert. That was an alert on camera. Good boy, Forrest. Good find a seat. Good job. And since he alerted, Forrest, hug. He also knows deep pressure therapy. Those are some of the tasks that he knows. Have a great day.